This is Rob Marchant from Clive Empson Auctioneers, and this is 137 High Street, Newport, Isle of Wight. Good trading location right in the middle of town, next door to the Guildhall in what is the island's county town. Attractive building, and looking back up the High Street. This is a commercial investment, but it's also got scope and potential to do other things, either right away or potentially in the future if and when the building is vacant. And it's got a return access onto Quay Street, which we'll go and have a look at now. So as mentioned, here at the rear of the property, we've got this narrow return frontage out onto Quay Street, and looking back at the Guildhall, and then on down Quay Street, which as the name suggests runs down to Newport Quay. Scope and potential perhaps to make better use of this rear access and the upper parts in the future. So let's go inside and have a look at the rather quirky internal accommodation. The upper parts at the rear of the property, we're now looking out over Quay Street, where the external video was shot from. Very unusual. This portion of the building was at one stage let to Isle of Wight Council as an extension of their accommodation next door in the Guildhall. There's an upper floor, so it goes up onto a second floor, which unfortunately we can't access without a ladder at the moment. And then the rest of this space was used as an ancillary office space for the council offices next door. Doorway here. But that doorway through here has now been shut off, and this part of the building returned to 137 High Street. Presently only access is through this hole in the wall, which this particular auctioneer was delighted to still be able to squeeze through after all these years. So this is the upper parts at the rear looking out over Quay Street.